Welcome to the session Functions of Management. There are 5 important functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Planning is the backbone of any successful organization. A timely and an effective plan can create a success story. Planning is the function of management that involves setting objectives and determining a course of action for achieving the predefined objectives. Planning is a futuristic approach. What to do in order to obtain the objectives, how to do it, and who is to do it. As Kuth said, planning helps to bridge the gap between where we are and where we want to go and how we will reach there. Organizing follows planning function. Theo said, organizing is a process of defining and grouping the activities of an enterprise and establishing the authority relationships among them. If the employees do not commit to their responsibilities, then the authority stands void. The right amount and the timely delegation is required for an effective performance. Directing is the process in which managers instruct, guide, and oversee the performance of the employees. The employees will perform to its best if the team leaders show a proactive leadership, effective communication, and consistent motivation. Staffing is a process of hiring and placing right employees at the right positions. The human resource of the organization need to be skillful and well trained to obtain the objectives of the organization and show their best performance. The fifth function of management is controlling. It is a process of comparing the actual performance with the set of standards of the company to ensure the activities are performed according to the plans, and if not, then corrective actions should be taken. Thank you.